Let's make one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. In this video, you'll learn how to use the Revolve, Thread, Chamfer, Fillet, Coil, and Circular pattern. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the front plane and make this sketch here. And here will be the midpoint. So the first thing that we'll create a line here with 28 millimeters. And create this sketch here. We have all the dimensions here, okay? So open the Fusion and let's go. Go to create a sketch, select the front plane, select line, make a line here with 28 millimeters. Select line again, make a line here with 3 millimeters, a line here with 16.5 millimeters. Create a line here. I always create this sketch and put the dimensions later, okay? Go to sketch dimension. The distance between this line and this one is 5.5 millimeters. The distance between these two lines is 2.5 millimeters. And the distance here is 2 millimeters. The distance between these two lines here is 4 millimeters. And here the distance here 0.5 millimeters and 0.5 millimeters here. And this line here has 6 millimeters. Go to constraint, select equal, select this line and this one. And go to constraints, horizontal, vertical, select this point and this point here. Okay, we made this. And just to check the dimension, we have 6 millimeters here, okay? Finish the sketch. Go to Revolve feature. The profile is this one, and the axis, select this line here. The angle 360 degrees, operation new body, and press OK. We made this, okay? Now, let's create this thread here. The length 15 millimeters and the thread is M6, okay? So go to create and select the thread and select this face here and remove the full length. And the length here is 15 millimeters and the size M6. Don't select modeled yet. Okay, press OK. Now we will create this chamfer here. We have a chamfer here, and this chamfer is 0.5 millimeters. So go to modify, select chamfer, select this edge, 0.5 millimeters, and press OK. Now edit the thread, double click here, and select modeled. If you make a thread modeled first, you won't be able to make a chamfer, okay? We made here this. Now let's create this fillet here, 0.4 millimeters of radius. So go to modify, select fillet, select this edge and this edge here, 0.4 millimeters, and press OK. We made this. Now to create this knurling here, we'll make this coil. We have all the instructions here, okay? So we will select this plane here to make the coil. And we have here the type, diameter, revolution, pitch, section, position, and size, okay? So go to Fusion and go to create and select coil and select this face here and click here in the center, the midpoint, the diameter here 13 millimeters. Click here in this point, okay? And now the type revolution and pitch. So select the type here, revolution and pitch. The diameter, 30 millimeters. The revolution, 0.5. The pitch here, minus 30 millimeters. The angle, 0 degrees. The section, select triangular, intern. The section position on center, and the section size, select 1. The operation here is cut. Press OK. We made this, okay. Now go to create again and select coil. Select this face here. The same thing, but we'll change the side, okay. The diameter 30 millimeters, 0.5 revolution. The pitch here is minus 30 millimeters. The triangle internal on center, the size 1. Operation cut. But now flip the direction here, the rotation, okay. We made this. And press OK. We made this, okay. Now go to create and select the circular pattern. The object type, select the features. The object, select these 2 coil here. The axis, select this one. And the quantity here is 20. And press OK. We made this, okay. Now we'll add some color here, just to change this color a little bit. Okay. And here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.